Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins is a guide to achieving financial freedom. The book explains how anyone can build wealth by following simple steps like saving early, investing wisely, and avoiding unnecessary fees. Today, in Poetics of Success, we will show how ordinary individuals gain their financial independence in the light of Robbins' insights. At the end, we will talk about 7 steps to crack wealth code. Here are 3 key lessons from Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. 1. The power of compounding and consistent savings. 2. Diversification and asset allocation. 3. Understanding and minimizing fees. Before being an expert on managing money, subscribe for similar content on personal finance, money management and investment. Tony Robbins talks to top financial experts and shares their advice on how to protect your money by diversifying your investments, not putting all your money in one place. He also shows how powerful it is to let your money grow over time with compound interest. The book focuses on making smart financial choices that help you reach your money goals and secure a comfortable future. The author talks about how important it is to start saving money as early as possible, even if it's just a little bit. The longer you let your money sit and grow, the more it will multiply. This is because of something called compound interest, which means your money earns more money over time. The sooner you start, the more it will grow without you doing much. Money Master the Game teaches that it's smart to spread your money around in different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, if one type of investment loses money, the others might still be doing well, so you don't lose everything. This strategy helps protect your money when the economy goes up and down. Many investments come with fees that can eat away at your money over time, and Robbins explains how even small fees can cost you a lot in the long run. He recommends choosing low-cost investments like index funds, which don't charge high fees but still let your money grow. Always check how much you're paying in fees to keep more of your money. These simple steps, save early, spread out your investments and avoid high fees, are key to building financial security. In Money Master the Game, Tony Robbins explains that the power of compounding and consistent savings are 2 of the most crucial tools for building wealth over the long term. Compounding happens when the money you invest earns returns, like interest or dividends, and then those returns also start earning more returns. Over time, this process can make your money grow at an accelerating rate, almost like a snowball that gets bigger and bigger as it rolls downhill. The magic of compounding is that even small amounts of money, if invested early and consistently, can grow into a large sum over time. Robbins emphasizes the importance of starting as early as possible, because the longer your money has to grow, the bigger the compounding effect. But compounding only works well if you are consistent. Robbins suggests saving and investing regularly, even if it's just a small amount, because over many years, this steady approach allows your money to grow exponentially. It's not about making one big investment, but about the habit of saving and investing continuously. The importance of this lesson is that by starting early, saving consistently, and letting your money grow, you can achieve financial security and wealth much more easily than you might expect. It's a slow process at first, but over time, compounding can turn modest savings into significant wealth, providing long-term financial freedom. In Money Master the Game, Tony Robbins highlights the importance of diversification and asset allocation as key strategies to protect and grow your money. Here's why these concepts are important in simple terms. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. The idea is that if one investment goes down in value, others might still go up or stay steady, so you don't lose everything at once. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you reduce the risk of big losses. Asset allocation is about deciding how much of your money should go into each type of investment. For example, you might put 50% into stocks, 30% into bonds, and 20% into real estate. This balance helps you manage risk while still giving your money a chance to grow. Different types of investments perform better or worse in different economic conditions, so having a mix ensures that your portfolio can weather ups and downs. Robbins explains that even top investors like Ray Dalio use these strategies to keep their wealth safe and growing. By diversifying and carefully choosing how to spread your money, you can protect yourself from sudden market drops and build wealth steadily over time. In short, diversification and asset allocation is that they help you lower risk and grow your money in a balanced, stable way, so you can stay on track even when the market gets unpredictable. The book stresses the importance of understanding and minimizing fees, because these fees can secretly take away a big chunk of your money over time. Here's why this matters in simple terms. Many investment options, like mutual funds or financial advisors, charge fees that might seem small at first, such as 1% or 2%. However, over time, these fees can take a large bite out of your total returns. Robbins explains that even a tiny percentage fee can add up to thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars lost in the long run. It's like a leak in your bucket. You may not notice it at first, but eventually it makes a big difference. When you pay high fees, you're not only losing that money, but also the potential growth that money could have earned through compounding. If you pay less in fees, more of your money stays invested, allowing it to grow faster. Robbins recommends low-cost options like index funds, which have much lower fees but still give you good returns. Many people don't realize how much they are paying in fees because they don't check the fine print. Robbins encourages readers to understand exactly what fees they're paying and to take control of their investments by choosing options that charge less. This knowledge helps you keep more of your money working for you rather than paying it to others. In simple terms, minimizing fees is that it helps you keep more of your money, which can grow and compound over time. By understanding and cutting down on unnecessary costs, you can reach your financial goals faster and keep your wealth growing steadily. Money Master the Game talks about 7 key actions to take in order to achieve a secure and comfortable life, both financially and personally. Here's a breakdown of those steps. 1. Decide to commit to saving and investing a portion of your income for your future. This decision sets the foundation for your financial success. 2. Educate yourself about how money and investments work. The more you know, the better choices you can make, just like a player who understands the rules of a game. 3. Set clear, realistic financial goals that you can actually achieve. Know what winning looks like for you, whether it's retirement, financial freedom, or something else, and plan accordingly. 4. Decide how you will divide your investments, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., in a way that balances risk and reward. This is called asset allocation, and it helps protect and grow your money. 5. Plan for a steady stream of income that lasts for the rest of your life, even after you stop working. This ensures you'll never run out of money. 6. Learn from the strategies used by the wealthiest and smartest investors. Follow their methods to protect your money and make it grow efficiently. 7. Take action on these steps. Enjoy the process and share your success with others by helping them achieve financial peace too. By following these simple actions, you can build financial security and enjoy peace of mind in your life. In conclusion, Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins offers practical and powerful steps to take control of your financial future. Whether it's understanding the power of compounding, diversifying your investments, or minimizing fees, these strategies can help anyone build lasting wealth and security. Remember, it's never too late to start, and by following these principles, you can create the life of financial freedom you deserve. Thanks for watching today's video on our channel Poetics of Success. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you found this helpful. Wishing you all the wealth, success and happiness on your journey.